Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English TV channel, where learning English is easy and fun.
I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to our fantastic listeners all over the world. It is so good to be here with you today.
It really is, Paul. I feel very energized today. I have my favorite lemon tea and the window is open. I can hear the birds.
That sounds lovely, Emily. I have a big glass of water today. No coffee for me this morning. I am trying to drink more water. It is a small goal for my health.
That is a great goal, Paul. Health is very important.
Yes, it is. But anyway, I am very excited about our topic today.
Me too. Today we are talking about a very common topic. Everyone talks about this on Monday mornings.
Oh, I know what it is. We are talking about the weekend.
Exactly. What did you do last weekend? It is the most common question in the world, I think.
It is. And it is a great way to practice English because we can tell stories and share our lives.
Yes, exactly. But wait, Paul, before we start our chat, we have a small favor to ask our friends at home.
Oh, yes. If you like our conversations, please click the like button right now. It is a big help for us.
And if you are new here, please subscribe to Mr. English channel. We have new episodes every week to help you learn.
And don't forget to share this with your friends or family. If they are learning English, they can listen with you.
Thank you, everyone. Okay, Paul, let's get back to the weekend.
Great. So, Emily, how was your weekend? Did you do anything special?
Well, it was a very interesting weekend, actually. On Saturday, I went to a small town near the mountains.
Ooh, the mountains. That sounds very peaceful. Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister, Chloe. We took the train early in the morning.
I love train rides. You can look out the window and relax.
Yes, it was very beautiful. But Paul, something funny happened on the train.
Oh, what happened?
Well, I was reading my book and my sister was sleeping. Suddenly, the train stopped. Not at a station, just in the middle of a field.
Oh no. Was there a problem with the train?
That's what I thought. I was a little worried. But then the driver said something on the microphone. He said, "Sorry, everyone, but there are cows on the tracks."
Cows? Really?
Yes. I looked out the window, and there were about 10 big, slow cows just standing there. They didn't want to move.
That is hilarious. What did the driver do?
He just waited. We waited for 15 minutes. I watched the cows eat grass. They looked very happy.
So your mountain trip started with a cow party.
Exactly. It was a very natural start to the day. Eventually, the cows moved and we arrived at the town.
And what did you do in the town?
We walked a lot. The town has very old streets and small shops. My favorite part was a tiny bookstore. It was so old, Paul. The books smelled like history.
I love that smell. Did you buy anything?
I did. I found an old book about gardening. I want to grow tomatoes this summer, so I need to learn.
That is a wonderful idea. Fresh tomatoes are the best.
They are. We had lunch at a small cafe. I had a delicious vegetable soup and fresh bread. It was so simple, but so good.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday. What about Sunday?
Sunday was very different. I stayed home and worked in my garden. I was very tired from the walking on Saturday, so I stayed in my pajamas until 10 a.m.
Sunday is the best day for pajamas. I agree.
What about you, Paul? What did you do last weekend?
Well, my weekend was a bit more active. On Saturday morning, I went to the local park.
Did you go for a run? I know you like running.
I did. I ran for 5 kilometers. It was difficult because it was a bit windy, but I felt great after.
Good job, Paul. 5 kilometers is a long way.
Thanks. After my run, I went to a garage sale. Do you know what that is, Emily?
Yes, it is when people sell their old things in front of their house, right?
Exactly. I love garage sales because you can find very interesting things.
Did you find any treasure?
Actually, I did. I met an old man named Mr. Thompson. He was selling many old tools and garden things, but in the corner I saw a very old guitar.
A guitar? Can you play the guitar, Paul?
A little bit. This guitar was very dusty and old. Mr. Thompson told me it was his father's guitar. He said, "I want this to go to someone who will love it."
Oh, that is so sweet.
Yes. We talked for a long time. He told me stories about his life and how he used to listen to his father play music every evening. It was a very touching moment.
Did you buy the guitar?
I did. It was very cheap, but for me it is very special. I spent all Saturday afternoon cleaning it and fixing the strings.
Wow, Paul, that is a great story. It's not just an object, it has a history.
Exactly. It made me think about how many stories are around us if we just take the time to talk to people.
That is a beautiful lesson. Sometimes we are in such a hurry that we don't see the treasures in people.
I agree. So that was my Saturday, a run and a new guitar.
And what about Sunday? Where did you go on Sunday?
On Sunday, I went to my parents' house. We had a big family lunch.
Oh, I love family lunches. Who was there?
My parents, my brother, and my little nephew, Leo.
How old is Leo now?
He is 4. He is very fast and very loud.
4-year-olds have so much energy.
Too much energy. We played soccer in the backyard. I am much older than Leo, but he is much faster than me. I was exhausted.
That is so funny. What was the best part of the lunch?
The best part? My mother made a giant chocolate cake. It was incredible. 3 layers of chocolate.
3 layers? Oh, Paul, I am very jealous now.
It was delicious. We sat outside, ate cake, and talked for hours. It was the best part of my weekend for sure.
That sounds like a very happy Sunday. Family, food, and fun.
It was. It made me feel very relaxed and ready for the week.
It is important to have that balance. One day for adventure, like my mountain trip, and one day for rest or family.
I agree. Emily, I just realized something.
What is it?
We both had food moments this weekend. You had your soup, and I had my chocolate cake.
You are right. Food is a big part of the weekend, isn't it?
It really is. Oh, I almost forgot. We should ask our listeners something.
Yes, if you are still listening, comment weekend vibes below. We want to see who is enjoying this conversation.
Yes, please do. It is fun to see your comments.
So, Paul, we talked about last weekend, but what about next weekend? Do you have any plans?
Next weekend. Actually, yes. My friend is moving to a new apartment.
Oh, moving is a lot of work. Are you going to help him?
Yes, I am. I am the strong friend with a big car.
Every friend group needs a friend with a big car.
It's true. We're going to spend Saturday moving boxes and furniture. It will be hard work, but he promised to buy us pizza for dinner.
Pizza is a good reward for moving furniture. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I think I will stay home and practice my new old guitar. I want to learn a simple song.
That sounds very relaxing. I hope you can show us your guitar skills one day.
Maybe. We will see. And what about you, Emily? What will you do next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to stay in the city. There's a new art exhibition at the museum.
Oh, I love the museum. What kind of art?
It's an exhibition about nature photography. They have giant photos of animals and forests from all over the world.
That sounds beautiful. I love seeing the world through a camera.
Me too. I'm going with my friend Sarah. After the museum, we're going to a new Italian restaurant. I heard they have the best pasta in the city.
Wow, Emily, you always find the best food.
I try, Paul. I think life is too short for bad food.
I agree 100%. So you have art and pasta. That is a very Emily weekend.
It is. I'm already looking forward to it.
It is good to have plans. It makes the week go faster when you have something exciting at the end.
Definitely. Even small plans like reading a book or going for a walk can make you happy.
True. You don't need to spend a lot of money or go to the mountains to have a good weekend.
Exactly. A good weekend is about how you feel, not just what you do.
Well said, Emily. I feel very inspired now.
Good. I hope our listeners feel inspired too.
I think they do. Talking about our days is so helpful for learning. You use words for time, places, people, and feelings.
Yes, it is real English, not just from a book, but from our lives.
Precisely. Wow, we talked about many things today.
We did. It was a very long and fun chat.
Should we do a quick recap for our friends?
That's a great idea. Let's see. What did we talk about?
Well, we talked about your trip to the mountains with your sister Chloe and the cows on the train.
Yes, the cows, and my new gardening book from the old bookstore.
And we talked about my 5-kilometer run and the treasure guitar I found at the garage sale.
And don't forget the 3-layer chocolate cake at your parents' house.
Oh, I will never forget that cake.
And we talked about our plans for next weekend, moving furniture and pizza for you.
And nature photography and pasta for you.
Yes, it was a very full conversation.
It was. I hope everyone enjoyed listening to our stories.
I hope so too. It was a pleasure talking with you, Paul.
The pleasure was all mine, Emily. And now, before we go, we want to hear from you.
Yes, we have a few questions for you to answer in the comments.
First, what did you do last weekend? Tell us one thing.
Second, who did you spend your weekend with? Was it family, friends, or maybe a pet?
And third, what is your plan for next weekend?
We love reading your stories. It is the best part of our day.
It really is. Writing your answer in English is excellent practice, so don't be shy.
Exactly. Don't worry about mistakes. Just try.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you in the next episode, everyone.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.